then
Part 2.
there was a good Transformer named Prince. And he's the king of the whole entire army. He took these good guys that he took him that what happened.
Hey, buddy, I'm recording it, and if you're whispering, nobody can hear you.
They came behind this tree. Oh, the second one. The third part is going to be next. Okay, Mom?
Okay, I can hit stop then?
Yeah.
Okay.